In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills and lush fields, two best friends, Ali and Hamza, often explored the wonders of the world around them. Today, their journey would lead to a deeper understanding of the world's mysteries.
Hamza, have you heard about the new shop in town? They say it's magical.
Wow, what do you mean, magical? Let's go check it out.
And with curiosity sparkling in their eyes, they dashed off to discover the wonders of this new magical shop for themselves. And there it was, the self-running shop. No cashiers, no managers, no staff of any kind. Yet, it ran so smoothly, as if by magic.
Look, Hamza. Everything's perfectly organized, but no one's working here. Isn't that strange?
That doesn't make sense. Who's restocking the shelves? Who's running it?
Was it truly magical, or was there more to this mystery than met the eye? Inside, the shop was even stranger. Goods appeared as if from nowhere, and everything worked with clockwork precision. But the question lingered: who was behind it all? And could the shop truly run on its own?
See, Hamza, it's magic!
Or maybe it's machines. Someone must have built all this.
Let's look around. Maybe we'll find something behind this mystery.
And so, their search began. They peeked behind shelves, studied the walls, and followed the faint hum of machinery, determined to uncover the truth. Each step brought them closer to the answer. And there it was. Hamza had found the answers to his curiosity.
Ha! Here it is. I knew there was something behind this magical shop. It's not magic, it's machines.
And so, after it was clear to the two boys that the shop didn't run itself, they walked back to their homes.
What a mysteriously fun day it was. So many questions and so much to think about. But I'm too exhausted. I should better sleep.
As Musa drifted into sleep, his mind conjured a grand vision, an immense factory alive with activity. Machines worked tirelessly, gears turned in perfect harmony. Every machine seemed to know its job. Every gear moved in unison. But then, Musa noticed something strange. There were no engineers, no operators, no managers overseeing this bustling factory. And then, chaos. Without anyone to guide or repair it, the factory began to collapse. Sparks flew wildly, machines jammed, and the once perfect harmony dissolved into disorder. In that moment, Musa realized no system, no matter how intricate, can function without someone to design it, to control it, to keep it in order.
Hamza, even the smartest machines can't work without someone designing them. Nothing happens on its own.
Like the shop. Someone must have made it, even if we didn't see them.
The whole world is like that shop. The rain, the sun, the trees, all of it works perfectly. Someone must have created it all.
You mean Allah?
Absolutely. Only Allah could design a system so perfect. Each star, each planet, even us, we're all part of the Creator's plan. And that's why everything works so perfectly. And the best part is, we're part of that masterpiece too.
Musa and Hamza began to see the shop and the world through new eyes. Behind every creation was a creator. Behind every system, a designer. The shop wasn't magical. It was a reminder of the real magic, the world Allah created for us. If even a small shop can't run itself, how could the vast, beautiful universe exist without a master? Everything has a creator, and that creator is Allah.